you're a young person enough.
So again, if you're interested in getting any of those publications or getting invited to our events, my business cards are over there, and all the publications I talked about are on that shelf. Feel free to grab my business card. You can shoot me an email and request to be added to any of those publications. Sure.
This was just asked of us recently. During Imperial Session, we're going to run special tours into the family, which is beautiful.
Thank you.
But is there space available, those that are not in Reno, can they still attend those things? How do they go about it?
Yeah, so I'll share that link with you in my presentation. I'll cover that. Good question. Yeah, it was a really, how many of you went on the tour, the pre-tour? Does anybody want to share what that was like and a highlight?
What really hit me is the kids. I know we do marvelous work for the kids, but seeing them happy and running around, that's like above and beyond, and that's what really struck out. Plus the science. I can't hardly understand all the science, but there's a lot of science going on there, and it's very, very impressive.
So we had a huge tent outside, which was like a little trade show, and it featured our different programs, but each booth had a patient representative. So it was a really amazing time to just really get in front of our patients. We had things like brain surgery, on an apple, or do a skin graft, so it was very interactive. And I highly recommend that folks get out there for when we have the Imperial sessions. So we can skip this. I'm gonna try it one more time. Anyone else want to have a comment about their day out there? Any other brave souls?
No, I didn't go out there, but those who had gone out there, they were real surprised they could see the children, because the children are always, should I say, secret, due to their, inabilities or whatever goes on. But everybody was so happy to meet them. Joanne had so many good things to say about it, but it was nice seeing them.
And spoke about how they have helped his cerebral palsy journey. We hosted the 33rd
I agree
annual Art
with that. So
lectureship series, commemorating the legacy of a surgeon and revered educator who was our former chief of staff at our San Francisco location. Our doctors were able to learn from and present to a diverse array of medical experts, including guest lecturer Dr. Feroz Miyanji, clinical professor of orthopedic surgery at the University of British Columbia. Dr. Miyanji presented about pediatric spine physis and complex deformities. Congratulations to our Wellness Challenge winners during National Nutrition Month: Amy Daniels, Angela Blakey, Kimberly Mars, Peggy Chan, and Javier Valencia. Members of our burn team attended the American Burn Association's annual meeting in Chicago. This event allowed our staff to attend talks from inspirational speakers, participate in thought-provoking panel discussions, and learn from other leaders in the burn field. Dr. Greenhall received a Lifetime Achievement Award from the American Burn Association for his dedication to countless burn patients, being a kind and compassionate advocate for the burn survivor community, and his unparalleled research career. Congratulations, Dr. Greenhall. I'm looking forward to all the wonderful things to come this month. Thank you for your ongoing support of Shriners Children's Northern California.
all right, well, so that's Kenny, and that's the update we get on a monthly basis. And it's just nice to see what's happening at the hospital at a deeper level. So that's been one of his many new additions in his role. So I went over the list of resources that you can get. And okay. So who knows how many locations we have? Raise your hand if you know. Wait, I didn't see it. A big hand. I have a prize for whoever gets it right. Is that right, Russ?
Just blink your eyes once.
All right, he just won the business finder. We'll be expecting big things. All right, another trivia quiz. Who knows how old Shriners is? What anniversary did we just celebrate? Raise your hand. Back there? Yep, okay. There's a 100-year t-shirt. All right, we have to think of another, what is our board members' term that they can do? How many years?
3 at a time for a total of 9.
Board member.
Say it again?
3 at a time for a total of 9.
Yep, okay. Okay, last question. What is the role of Sierra Wilder?
She's your counterpart. Look pretty.
There you go.